Okay, you got it? Oh, hi. I am peeling mangoes for the tops for sushi roll. We can make a what's called a mango tango king crab roll. I'll be demonstrating that here in just a second. Let me show you how to do the mangoes first. I have peeled the skin of the mangoes. And so now at this point, I'm just peeling the flesh, which is the best part. Okay. Well, I have a few more things left here. Uh-oh. Let's peel this one off. What we can do is we can cut this off. You do not want to eat the mango skin. It's bitter. I wouldn't suggest it. Lay this out like that. Here like this. Okay, let me set this aside. Okay. I will eat this later for myself because we don't waste mango. Okay, we'll go ahead and lay this here for now. I will grab the legs that are left over. Okay, pop that. Nothing in there. We have some meat in here. Pop that off. Pop that off. Right in between the joint. One is out. Same thing here. Just quickly get this meat out. Okay. This one aside. The shoulder joint. This delicious meat in here. Make sure the tendon is out. You do not want to bite into that. It's not great. Same thing. Make sure the ligament is out, both of them. These are both the ligaments that you do not want to chew on. Okay, as you can see. Set this aside because we'll use it for the inside. Get this one out as well. Again, you do not want to eat that. Set this aside for the tops, the insides. Okay, flip that over. And I'll gently pull on this. The inside. Same thing. Use this for the top as well. You know what? I felt a ligament in there, so I may have missed one. And I will get that out right now. Same thing on this side. And here it is. Use a couple more. This guy here. Okay, the shoulder meat. Just gotta make sure. Now, this is plenty of meat for the inside. We have about 3 ounces here. Almost 3 ounces. Okay. And it's out. And then the second one. Okay. So we need a total of 5. Okay. Now what we do is we will make a 5-piece sushi roll. The typical is 8. There's some 10 pieces, and then there's 5. In some of my previous videos, I've made 5-piece sushi rolls as well. You can always view them if you go follow our videos. Follow and subscribe, please. I'm highly recommended. It'd be greatly appreciated as well. Also, your feedback is always appreciated as well. So let's get into this. I have some sushi rice left that I'll be using. This time I'll be using about 3 ounces of rice. My nori. Okay, not too much rice. Just a little bit of rice inside. Go ahead and cover that. Okay, I'm using a little bit more rice. For this guy, just make sure everything's covered. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is use the crab, so it's nice and even. Okay. A little bit of Dijon aioli that I made. Yes, it's Dijon mustard. I made aioli out of that. Okay. Cucumber from earlier. Put that in there. Now I'll just go ahead and tuck that in. Okay. Base of my roll is ready. It's okay if a little bit of mayo comes out from the side or the aioli from the side. That's totally fine, normal. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll grab my mango. Okay. I'll lay it right on top, just like that. And then we'll use our special seasoning. It's called the Mango Tango seasoning, since the roll is called Mango Tango. If you're interested in the seasoning, all the details are listed in the link below the video. Please be generous with this. Sure, gets on there and covers it. Okay. That. And then, what I like to do, I'll line these up, and I'll press on it so they open up a little, gently. Okay. I'll scoop it up with my knife. Set this right on top. Okay, just like that. And then I'll go ahead and grab my saran wrap, which I'll be using to keep everything together. And I'll go ahead and put this. Oh, this little guy fell. Put it back on here. Like that. Put this on top like that. And then my makisu. Okay. I'll go ahead and press that and shape it. Make sure the corners are tucked in. Aioli will come out a little bit, and that's totally fine. I was trying to make 5 pieces out of it, but I guess I have enough to make 6, so we'll just go ahead and make 6 pieces. Okay. Okay. Before I peel the plastic off, I'll just go ahead and reshape it one more time. Okay. Oops, sorry. Now, go ahead and make sure all the plastic is off. Nothing is on there. Starting with my corner bite. Set that here. It's falling apart a little bit. That's totally fine. Set that aside here. And we'll set that one here, just like that. I'll go ahead and wipe down my cutting board. Okay. And then what you can do is you can add a little bit of the salsa that we made. Just lightly, not too much. It's for flavor. There's really a whole lot of stuff going on with this roll. A lot of different flavors from umami to citrus to spicy. Quite delicious. So, this is it. We have a mango tango roll with king crab for you.